Hello friends, welcome back to Jacqueline Marie Living. In today's video, I'm very excited because it's a beautiful fall day here in New England. And today we're going to be going outside to plant some beautiful spring bulbs. If you are already a subscriber, welcome back. I'm so happy to see you here. If you're a new visitor, I would love that you take some time today to subscribe to my channel so you will not miss additional episodes coming up for fall, Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Christmas. So let's go ahead and start planting all these bulbs. When I was in Costco the other day, I saw these beautiful purple tulips and I decided to buy a box to plant them in my front yard. Before planting the bulbs, I'm going to remove these plants that they already past bloom. When taking these dead plants, I usually shake all the soil and leave it because it's good soil. And I'm going to put the dead plant on this recyclable bag because I can take it to the area in my neighborhood where they use it for compost. When these landscape beds were prepared last October by the builder, they enhanced them with very good topsoil. And also I have put a couple of coats of shredded mulch. There is also an automated drip system to water all the perennials and the magnolia tree. The bag of tulips that I bought at Costco has 50 tulips in the bag, and it's the Tulipa Purple Flag variety. This bag of tulips has a very good size bulb. It is important to get a good size bulb so the plant that is produced is bigger. I'm using scissors to open the bag, and inside the bag there is 2 additional plastic bags with 25 tulips each. There is a sticker that has the size of the planting and additional instructions for planting. This company also has an additional website with further instructions. I will link the website in the description box. The area that I'm planting is a small area, so I'm going to use a small shovel to remove all the top mulch to be able to access the soil. After removing all the top mulch, I'm going to use a bulb planter to dig the holes. I'm going to be planting the bulbs 6 inches deep. The bulb planter has marks to indicate the depth of the hole. These tulips are supposed to be planted 3 to 6 inches apart. I'm going to plant them 3 inches apart because I like them to be in clumps. When planting the bulb, it's important that you put the pointy side of the bulb facing up. Before planting the bulb, you can also put some fertilizer like bulb tone. I'm only planting 50 bulbs. That's what I'm using, the manual bulb planter. But if you're planting a significant amount of bulbs, there is also some automated tools that you can use. Because I live in a coastal town in Massachusetts, the soil is very sandy, so it makes very easy to dig holes. But when I live in Maryland, the soil was a lot of clay and it was hard to dig these holes. Please let me know if you're already planting spring bulbs in your garden, and let me know which kinds are you planting. In my previous house in Maryland, I used to have a bed with pink tulips and daffodils, and they look beautiful in the spring. In the coastal town in Massachusetts that I live, it is the perfect time now to plant bulbs because the temperature is still over 50 degrees. So far, I have not seen that many squirrels around my yard, so I'm curious to see if any squirrels will come and start digging these bulbs. I hope that by planting them 6 inches deep, it will be deep enough so the squirrels cannot reach these bulbs. I'm almost done planting the first bag of 25 bulbs. I'm going to move to the other side of the bed to plant the other 25 bulbs. After planting all these bulbs, I'm covering all the holes with topsoil and mulch. I want to disclose that I'm not an expert gardener, but I had 5 houses before, and on every house I used to love to do gardening. So I've gotten experience by trial and error and by reading and asking also professionals in garden shops. And moving on to this side of the bed, I'm going to continue digging additional holes and planting all these bulbs. After planting the rest of the 25 bulbs, I'm covering all the holes again with soil and adding mulch. If you enjoy doing gardening projects like this one, but also you enjoy doing home decorating, please give a big thumbs up to this video, and absolutely you have to subscribe to my channel. In the spring, when these bulbs are starting to sprout, I'm planning to spray them with deer repellent so the deers don't eat the leaves of the tulips. And now all the 50 bulbs have been planted, and I'm using this small rake that is great to use in small areas to smooth the mulch. It is a good idea to water the area after the bulbs were planted, but because it's going to rain late this afternoon, I'm not going to water it at this time. I cannot wait for the spring to come to see the beautiful display of tulips on this bed. It's going to be spectacular. I hope that you enjoy gardening with me this afternoon as much as I enjoy planting all these bulbs today. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope that if you are a new visitor that you subscribe before you leave this video so you will not miss additional episodes. I'm Jacqueline Marie, and I hope to see you next time on Jacqueline Marie Living. Have a great day.